If you want to make money on itch.io, the first thing you need is a product people actually want to support. That could be a game asset pack, a soundtrack, a mod, a template, or even a small digital tool. The great part about itch.io is that you do not need a huge audience to start earning. You just need something useful, interesting, or fun enough for people to pay for it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your pricing, choose your payment model, and connect your payout method so you can start earning the right way. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you do not miss the next guide. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your itch.io account and head to your seller dashboard. You can go directly to the seller settings page at itch.io user settings seller. This is where you will manage how you get paid, what kind of payment system you want to use, and which accounts are linked to your store. If you have not uploaded your project yet, make sure you publish your game asset pack or other digital product first, because you cannot really monetize anything until it is listed on your page. Once you are inside the seller dashboard, the next step is choosing your pricing model. This is one of the most important decisions because it affects how customers can support your work. Itch.io gives you a few different options, and each one works a little differently. The first option is collected by itch.io, paid later. With this model, itch.io collects the money from your sales first, and then you request a payout later in bulk. This is a convenient choice if you want a simpler setup and do not want to connect everything manually right away. Itch.io uses its default payment providers for this method, which makes it a good option for creators who want a straightforward way to start selling. The second option is direct to you. With this method, you get paid directly each time someone makes a purchase. To use this setup, you need to link the payment providers you want to support. This is a better choice if you prefer direct payouts and want more control over how your money is handled. If you are trying to build a more independent setup, this option may be the one you want. Now, let's talk about how you can actually price your product. On itch.io, you do not have to stick to just one format. You can charge a fixed amount if you want a clear set price for your game or asset pack. You can also use a pay-what-you-want model, which is really popular on itch.io because it lets supporters choose their own amount. And if you want to make your project accessible to as many people as possible, you can offer it for free and still allow fans to leave donations. That is a great strategy if you are trying to grow an audience first and monetize through support, rather than upfront sales. If you are just starting out, pay what you want can be a smart option because it lowers the barrier for people to try your work. Some users will download it for free, while others may choose to pay more than the minimum to support you. On the other hand, a fixed price works well when you have a polished product and you want a more traditional storefront approach. And if your goal is visibility, a free listing with donations can help get more downloads while still giving your audience a way to reward your effort. After you choose your pricing model, the next step is setting up your payment method. This is where you make sure the money can actually get to you. Itch.io supports direct payouts using PayPal or Stripe, and these services can process both credit card and debit card transactions. If you choose direct to you, you will need to connect the payment providers you want to accept. If you choose collected by itch.io, the platform handles the collection side, and you will later request your payout through the system. Take your time during this step and make sure all of your payment details are correct. Double-check your account information, your business or personal payment settings, and any email addresses connected to your payout accounts. A small mistake here can delay your earnings, so it is worth reviewing everything before you go live. Once your payment method is set, go back to your project page and make sure your pricing is visible and correctly configured. Test the purchase flow if possible, or at least preview the page as a customer would. This helps you confirm that your fixed price, pay what you want option, or donation setup is working the way you expect. And that is the basic process for making money on itch.io. Upload your project, choose the pricing model that fits your goals, connect your payment method, and make sure everything is set up for smooth payouts. Whether you are selling a game, an asset pack, or offering a free project with donations, itch.io gives you flexible ways to earn from your work. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more creator tips and software walkthroughs. And if you want, I can also show you how to optimize your itch.io page so more people actually buy or donate to your project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.